Hi everyone, welcome to week number 4. The semester really is flying at this point, I think. You'll find the week 4 folder in the Blackboard shell. A couple things to do here. Of course, print or save the weekly slide doc to your device. You want to continue to take part in the discussions we started last week. Again, for all of our discussions, they occur over 2 weeks and they end on the Sunday of the second week at the end of day. You're expected to post 2 times, and again, those can be 2 original posts or an original post and a reply. And typically what happens is I provide a number of different threads and you have an opportunity for choice in terms of your postings. The last thing to do for this week is to take part in the note-taking exercise. Here I'm going to have you review the weekly slide doc and complete the attached document. The exercise is due by the end of day on Sunday, September 29th. And again, you'd submit that through Blackboard simply by going up to the title here and clicking on note-taking exercise. You would click on that, attach, and submit your note-taking exercise document, and then you'd be good to go. That's it for now. If you have any questions, please give me a shout. Otherwise, I will see you online or in the halls.